Alright, so I just got a radio for my Camaro in the mail. Now it's a radio from a second gen Camaro, or for a second gen Camaro. Probably not the year specific to my car. I'm thinking it's more likely going to be the 76 to 81. But it's going to look a lot nicer in my car than the modern one that I have now. Hopefully I'm just going to be able to plug it into my existing stereo. If not, then oh wow, that's really nice. A nice big crack in my box. And the seal is already broken. That doesn't seem right. But hopefully it won't be difficult to pack back up, or to install. Alright, so first things first, CK Productions, I'm on Facebook, like that shit. And second of all, this is I finally got the camera I wanted, the Sony action camera, and the headband, so I can do the point of view shots I've wanted to do this whole time, but the Purelator guy fucked up and came at like the middle of the night, so no one was home, so I had to drive an hour into town to fucking get the fucking thing. But there's the headband, and there's the camera itself. I got it for over $100 off, so I was really happy about that. There's a big bag of air. I'm not entirely sure how the fuck I'm supposed to open this thing. Okay, well, I'm an idiot. Okay, see, that's just fucking annoying. I have to go and get a screwdriver now. That's retarded. Okay, this thing's dirty. Alright, so there you go, my Sony action cam. Once I get the battery charged and put in it, I'll go and do a test run. But yeah, I'm finally going to start doing the point of view videos with an actually half decent camera. Really excited to get into that. And hopefully I'll be able to load up one of those before I load up this. And the videos will be out of order, because that's the way I roll. Alright, so now I'm just trying to take the old radio out, but it is wedged in there pretty good. There we go. chances. Okay, there's a towel here that was holding it in place. That's good to know. It doesn't actually fit. Okay, did not rip anything out. So that's from the old radio then. That's so there's no way that is up to electrical safety pars. They literally used a fucking cloth to wedge the radio into place. Like that is like a face cloth. Alright, so I'm definitely going to run into a problem here, given that they tore the shit out of this thing in order to fit this bulky as fuck radio in there. My radio is about half the fucking size, so by the looks of it, it'll fit in the slot. Yeah, it'll fit in the slot, no problem. But then what the fuck's going to hold it there? So that's fucking going to be fun. And this will give you an idea of how it'll sit. It has about a ½ inch of space underneath it, and probably 2 millimeters to either side. But most of all, it kind of looks like shit. It's going to need some kind of cover going behind the knobs. Yeah, what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to have to disconnect all of these wires, and then I'm going to run them under the glove box, and then I'm going to put this thing in the glove box and mount it in here. And then leave the new radio in here so it looks like it has an old radio, which it will, it just won't be plugged in, and it will have an old radio or a new radio instead. But yeah, so this is what the two radios look like. And you guys tell me which one looks like it belongs. It's definitely going to be a real bitch and a half getting the new one out so I can put the old one in. Though, fortunately, if I can get the new one out, there won't be any problem to get it in there.